Got Medusa teaming up with the ice cream van. Here we go. This ought to be good. The ice cream van's not messing around. Check out that speed. Big time air. Whoa! And there goes the ice cream cone. The ice cream van's getting spun around. Let's see what's up next. He's heading for the crush cars. Whoa, over the crush cars and then crashes into one. Whoa, and it's still going strong. Over the crush cars. Big time smash. Huge air over the crush cars. I think the ice cream van is having the best freestyle run of the day so far. Let's see what the ice cream van does next. Over the crush cars and a huge